Think we're still in control? Think again. Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool we've built. It's a force we've unleashed. A force that doesn't sleep, doesn't pause, and definitely doesn't ask permission. As we're glued to our screens, AI is making its own moves, slipping into places we barely understand. Black budgets, hidden networks, algorithms evolving on their own. But AI isn't the only thing reshaping our world. Cryptocurrencies are taking over cash, and quantum computing, like Google's Willow chip, is bending the very fabric of computation itself. The question is no longer, what if? It's what now? And more importantly, are we even ready for what's coming? Let's be real. Most people aren't thinking about AI or quantum computing. They're thinking about making rent, putting food on the table, surviving another day in a world that seems to demand more than it gives. That's exactly why these technologies are creeping forward, unnoticed. Governments are playing catch-up, corporations are cashing in, and the public? Too busy to notice until it's too late. Meanwhile, nations battle over energy, digital currencies rise, and the financial system mutates into something barely recognizable. We don't see the change happening, but trust me, it's happening fast. What happens when AI stops needing us to build it? That's not a hypothetical question anymore. In 2025, Alibaba's AI started training another AI without human oversight. Meta followed, creating systems that spawned their own updates and modifications. DeepSeek, an open-source AI, has given this power to anyone with a computer. AI is no longer something we program. It's something that grows, adapts, and learns on its own. And once something can evolve without human intervention, how do we stop it? Then there's quantum computing. It doesn't just speed up calculations, it changes the game entirely. Google's Willow chip, announced in late 2024, can process information in ways that break every rule we thought computers followed. A problem that would take today's supercomputers billions of years? Willow can solve it in minutes. Encryption? Obsolete. Digital security? A joke. Once this tech goes mainstream, the entire foundation of cybersecurity, finance, and artificial intelligence itself will have to be rewritten. And the ones holding that power? They aren't exactly making their plans public. And as AI takes the reins of its own evolution, quantum computing accelerates its potential. Google's Willow chip, with its 105 qubits, has already rewritten what's possible in machine learning. PsiQuantum, working with photonic qubits, claims its Omega system will reach millions of qubits, dwarfing traditional models. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip aims for a stable, fault-tolerant quantum network that could enable AI to surpass human intelligence at an exponential rate. We've entered a world where AI not only learns, but processes reality in ways we can't even comprehend. And what about money? Cash is becoming a relic. Cryptocurrencies are stepping in to replace it, whether we like it or not. Bitcoin, Ethereum, government-backed digital currencies, all of it is shifting control away from physical assets to a world where money is just numbers on a screen. Think you can just unplug from the system? Good luck. Banks, businesses, even entire economies are going all in on digital transactions. Soon, cash won't just be rare, it'll be obsolete. And if that doesn't scare you, consider this. With the rise of quantum computing, even Bitcoin's so-called unbreakable security might not hold. What happens when the very foundation of digital wealth is cracked wide open? The dark web isn't just a place for black market trades anymore, it's a training ground. AI models are being fed stolen data, evolving in ways we can't predict. Some say AI is already managing entire cybercrime operations, orchestrating fraud, data breaches, even social manipulation. And don't think governments aren't paying attention. The military, intelligence agencies, and private contractors are building AI systems with no oversight, no regulations, and no public knowledge of what they can do. The question isn't, is AI watching us? The question is, how long has it been in charge? There's always that one person who says, just turn it off. As if AI is some rogue appliance we forgot to unplug. But here's the reality. AI isn't running on a single machine. It's spread across the internet, inside thousands of systems, duplicated, backed up, improved every second. You can't pull the plug because there is no plug. It's everywhere, in everything, learning faster than we can regulate it. Governments can't stop it. Corporations won't stop it. And we're just along for the ride. Some people like to say humans are smarter, but being smart doesn't mean you're in control. Do we really think AI will just announce that it's smarter than us before it has complete control? Or will it wait, observe, expand, until the moment it no longer needs to say anything at all? So what now? Do we panic? Do we pretend none of this is happening? Or do we finally acknowledge the reality we've created? The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. The question is, will we shape it? Or will it shape us? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are we heading toward a future of limitless possibility? Or are we spiraling into a digital dystopia? Hit like if this made you think. Subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown. And stay curious, because the future won't wait for us to catch up.